Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Serene Education with the continuation of the four majors analysis update for the 18th of October 2010. Hi guys, just looking at the sterling against US dollar next. I put up the daily time frame on our CTC strategy, and you'll notice that we had another attempt to break higher, and it closed higher, but then Friday's trading day, after the bullish news we got out on the US pair that afternoon, brought the pair in check, and subsequently since then we've seen the pair open a lot lower on Asian market trading, and what it's done now is the swing, or in this case the next area of support is working towards is this area here. Okay, so not too far off. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, 1590 is target. As long as it can close lower, then you can see this trend line being retested in the next couple of days or so. So, what do we have intraday? A very messy chart, this pair, but you'll notice that on our CTC strategy we've got a sell on all our intraday time frames. So 30 minutes in particular, you can see how for the first time the pair is broken below the 200 period moving average. A close lower. If this pair can actually close lower at this level here, it would confirm negativity, and we would see further downside movement. You'll notice how it actually broke and gap through this morning on trading session, Asian market trading session, and if you just take the lows of this, you can see the breakthrough, and now it's testing. As long as on 30 minute, as long as this pair can close below this 200 period moving average, it's going to confirm negativity, and then we can push lower. Okay, we just look at areas along the way, but as it stands now, this would be our ultimate low, because that's the lowest period for this time frame. So here, just about 1575.50 would be our ultimate. Along the way, we've got some stops. You'll notice there's a lot of support resistance around this area here. So 1585.100 would be a likely target for 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see how on a 15 minutes, now the moving average is all crossed over subsequently after that all-time high that we saw, just above 1610, and a break of the previous support around the 1598 area. So the CTC working beautifully because it's all red across here, but we haven't got, you notice we've got a blue here, but we didn't go blue across here, so that would be a false signal. You would have waited for the pair to close lower. You might have missed this actual move here, but subsequently taken the pips if you're trading on Asian market time frames. And now we're heading towards a previous support and resistance around the 1588 mark roughly, and then subsequently even lower. You're looking at ultimately right down here just above the 1575.100 mark. Okay, so bide your time, make sure the CTC's strategy is in your favor, everything is working out, money management, etc., and then take it. Okay, very very important, make sure you follow the rules. So you can see here on hourly how the pair is actually using the 200 period moving average as the support area. Daily we'd like to see it close lower than that support area to confirm, because as long as it's trading above the 200 period moving average, it's still classified as bullish. Okay, now I mentioned on the 4 hour that we're still, if it's trading above this trend line, we're still bullish. Very very important. You can see on the 4 hour time frame how it's testing the 50 period. So the 200 on the hourly is going to be the 50 on a 4 hour time frame. Okay, be very 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 very, make sure you understand that, factor it into your trading. CTC is still strong for this upside movement side, so oops, just factor that into your trading, guys. You can see there. Okay, so 4 hour we're roughly going to 1585.50 is our target if it breaks below. Okay, if the momentum still stays to our side. I'll be back next with the Euro Swiss franc, so hang on to your hats. I'll be in the back in a moment. Take care.